Yeah, man, it was a setup, y'all. I would have did good, but it was a setup. I don't even know what the finish line is.
That's what I was like, oh, I think I'm battery now. The next time I'm going to have a battery on. Are y'all going to leave December?
Yeah, this here take a skill, y'all. Now. I done came out here wearing my damn. I got too many clothes on. I'm hot. Oh yeah, 601 Jack. Why was he banned, man? He said that I banned him. Accidentally, I don't know. I probably accidentally pressed the button, y'all. I told him I'd fix it, but I don't know what to do. I was like, hell, I don't even know how he got banned. Okay, he going through another gate. Ooh, he holding that thing. Oh, okay. I'm glad you unbanned him. I told him I was gonna do it, but then I seen him in the chat. I was like, man, something ain't right. Okay, we gotta finish. What'd he do, man? Is that steep? Rusty.
Negative 18 speed and the fastest time to complete it so far, 2 minutes.
Golly, man, Rusty good, huh?
Yeah, he's been, yeah, because a perfect score is a negative 20.
Yeah.
So he's only got one penalty on the first.
What'd he do, back up?
Yeah, you've got one reverse.
Golly,
and then on this one right here, only 2 reverses. So negative 18.
He cold, man.
Yeah, yes.
He gonna win, you think? With that kind of, he keep that up?
If he keep that up, you never know with the
well, he just got 1 more or 3 more?
No, 3. This is a different class.
Okay.
So this is, he just has 1 more course, which is course 3 over there that they're getting started on right now.
I ain't even seen course 3. Come on. Yeah, he didn't do anything. I ain't mean to ban him. I ain't ban him. 601 Jack cooler than a fan. Uh-oh, we got War Pig back in the building, y'all. Oh! He controlling it. Ooh. Ooh, hold that thing. Oh, yeah, he doing it, y'all. I don't even know where the next gate at, man. Oh, oh. Boy, he almost hit that thing. Oh, snap. This the second part of number 3?
3 parts.
Oh, man. He clearing the gate. Oh, man. War Pig on a roll now, y'all. He ain't do nothing to the gate. He good. Ooh. Oh, here come a wild part. Oh, he doing it though. Oh, snap. And his battery got charged. Oh, wee. Golly.
Progress.
Well, he is progressing. Finish.
2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Oh, man, he put a time on y'all, man. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Where Rusty at? Rusty! You got it? Okay. Kilroy 480 said that's OG Rusty over there, man. OG Rusty, man. What y'all think he gonna do something? I don't know, man. He got War Pig working, man. Let me see what his time frame was. He did his thing. Oh, Snap Turbo Vision, appreciate the follow. Are they allowed to drink and drive? Yeah. Yeah, they can drink and drive these.
Except for whatever rules the park has.
Yeah, that's the only rules the park has.
Follow the rules.
They ain't following the rules. I just seen a sign said no smoking. I smell Marlboro like a mother. New Oh, here we go. What's his name? Blake? We got Blake back in the building, y'all. Okay, okay.
Oh, yeah.
He's squeezing it on through there.
Hey, good Blake.
Okay.
Oh, oh. Okay. Oh, you got to come all the way back. Ah. Oh.
Turn the other way. Turn it. Don't go off that way. Go off to the left. Yeah, just drive off over there.
Golly.
You yeeted it.
Yeet.
Blake. There we go.
Okay, okay. He had to try something new.
Slow down.
Easy, easy. Here it comes.
There you go. Take it easy.
Come on, baby. Can't get no traction.
Reverse. There you go.
Ooh, can't get no traction.
Turn back. Nail it.
Nail it.
There you go. There you go.
Okay. We getting it